All, welcome back. So today I'm here with the Euphorbia box for the month of January, and the box came in this condition. It was damaged, from the outside, but the contents inside are safe, so I'm happy. The first one, which is Happy New Year. So Happy New Year to you all. Happy New Year, happy subscribing. And we have a card which says all about the products. And the first one I see is this New Year special Ocean Breeze Cape of Good Soap Bath Salt. I have already used it twice. I really like it. This is of 70 grams product, and this is a combination of salts, Epsom salt, Ocean Breeze fragrance oil, edible color, and this is from Cape of Good Soap, and this one is retail of 299 rupees. That's really expensive for such a small quantity, but yes, this is our first product. This is from Matte Look, half and half, I believe. Yeah, this is a Matte Look lashes push-up mascara. He says this is 24 hours for eyes that speak louder than words. This is jet black, long lasting, best quality, and the color is really pretty. And this one is of 399 rupees. It also gives instructions on how to use it. This is how the wand is. It's really nice. This is how the mascara is. It's really pretty color. I really like the color. So the net weight you get is 11 ml product in it, and this is of 399 rupees. So this is our next product. We have this pretty earrings. I think everyone gets similar kind of earrings, maybe in a different color. So I got in red color. This is red thread Afghani earrings, which is 345 rupees. They look really pretty. So this is how the earrings look. They are really big, but really look pretty as well. And then we have got this from Good Soaps again. This is a spice and orange anti-chap lip balm, and this one is of 175 rupees. I get 5 grams of product for 175 rupees. And the last thing I say is Bio Gold Collagen Eye Mask. This is from Monsub, and it's an eye patch mask, and this is of 25 grams. This is of 200 rupees. I got this cute little drum in it. I really like it. It's really pretty. And we also have some coupon code which says New Year gift certificate. You can buy 3 soaps and get 4th free. I have the details of the products which you have got. This is all I have got in this month of Euphorbia box, and the total worth of products which you have got is the mascara is of 399 rupees, and the bath salt is of 299 rupees, and the eye mask is 200 rupees, and the lip balm is 175, and then the earrings are 345. I feel these are very expensive, but it's good, but little expensive. Pay 198 rupees and you get products worth of 1498, so it's really quite a good deal. And yes, this is all what we have got. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks all. Have a great day. Bye bye.